In class 11, we are on topic subsidiary books, special books, day book, and in that today we are going to complete, that is purchase return book. Yesterday we completed sales return book, and before that sales book, purchase book, cash book, single column, double column, petty cash book, all we completed already. Now today we are completing purchase return book with GST. So please note down one question. Purchase return book means the book which contains all the detailed information of those goods which are returned by the businessman to the suppliers. Now the question, why the goods returned? Because that may be defective, damaged, not according to the order, not according to the qualities. So the businessman will return those goods, or maybe according to their terms and conditions. So the question is, prepare a purchase book of, please note down, prepare a purchase book, purchase return book, prepare a purchase return book of P and Company, Mumbai, P and Company, Mumbai, prepare a purchase return book of P and Company, Mumbai, 1st April, return to S Brothers, Pune. Return to S Brothers, Pune. $5-meter silk at the rate of 5-meter silk at the rate of 800 rupees per meter. 5-meter silk at the rate of 800 rupees per meter. 10% TD. 10% TD. Then 5th April, return to Reliance Punjab. Return to Reliance Punjab. $100 short piece at the rate of 100 each. 100 short piece at the rate of 100 each. 5% CGST, 5% SGST, 5% Central Goods and Service Tax, 5% SGST means State Goods and Service Tax. Note down the first detail. Now, we will moving towards making purchase return book. The format will be same. Himang Tuteja make the format. Mehak Bajaj make the format please. You will write purchase return book in this way of P & Company Mumbai. P & Company Mumbai. Of P & Company Mumbai. Date, particulars, note number, voucher number, LF, then the same way. Amount, detail, amount, CGST, SGST, IGST, net. The format will be same. This is details. Particular, detail, net amount, CGST, SGST, IGST, net, total. Now, first of all, date 1st April, S Brothers Pune. 1st April, S Brothers Pune. S Brothers Pune. Now what to write? 5 meter silk at the rate of 800 rupees. Same way, 5 meter silk at the rate of 800 rupees. That will be 4,000. That will be 4,000. Why? 800 multiplied by 5, 4,000. Now less 10% TD. Means 400 should be subtracted. That will be 3,600 now. 3,600. 3,600 now. Now my question is, which tax we have to impose here? Which tax we have to impose? Krish Gupta will tell us the answer. Which tax we have to impose? Yes. Krish Gupta, Parth Kachawa. Which tax we have to impose? CGST, SGST, IGST. Yes, Krish Gupta. Which tax we have to impose, beta?
IGST.
IGST. Why IGST? Everyone is start laughing. Everyone is laughing. Krish Gupta. Why IGST? I am sure Pune and Mumbai are different states. Huh? Yes. Then why IGST?
Ma'am, CGST and SGST.
Parth Kachawa, which tax we have to impose here? Parth Kachawa.
Ma'am, CGST, SGST.
Very good answer. CGST and SGST because Pune and Mumbai are of same state, Maharashtra. So add 5% CGST, add 5% SGST, that will be 180 and 180. Now the total by this way. Okay, so the total of this is 3960. Amount is 3600. CGST 180. SGST 180. No IGST. IGST will not be applicable. So the total again 3960. Yes. In this transaction, we imposed CGST and SGST because the businessman is of Mumbai and the dealing is with Pune, same state. Now, next, 5th April. 5th April, return to Reliance Punjab. Reliance Punjab. What are you returning? 100 shirt piece. 100 shirt piece at the rate of 100 each. So that will be 10,000. No trade discount. So no need to give. Now my question from Manan Sharma. Manan Sharma, which tax we have to impose here in this transaction? Manan Sharma. Mehak Bajaj, which tax we have to impose here?
IGST.
Rabjot Singh, which tax we have to impose here?
IGST.
Why? Now my question to Piyush Chandwani, why IGST? Piyush Chandwani, why IGST? Don't know. Shall I clap for you? Rishiraj. Rishiraj, why IGST here? Piyush doesn't know.
Ma'am, because Mumbai and Punjab in other states.
Different states, my dear. Bilkul, exact correct answer, to the point answer. See, the dealing is between Punjab and Mumbai. So if the states, from last 1 month, I am teaching the same thing in business studies, in accountancy. If the state crosses the boundaries or the different states, then we have to impose 10% IGST, 10% is 1,000. Again 11,000, 10,000. No CGST, no SGST. 1,000 is IGST. Total 11,000. Now at the end, you will put grand total. While you will put grand total, no need to fill the first column. This column total 13,600. This is 180. This is 180. This is 1,000. This is 14,960. Then end up with double line. End up with double line. Double line in accounts indicate that the work is completed here. Note down, please. See, in this question, I gave you the example of both with the same state, CGST and SGST. And when there is different states, then IGST. If there is trade discount, you should subtract it. If there is no trade discount, don't do that. Discount should be subtracted, taxes should be added. We can put the symbol plus. We can put the symbol. In this question, the dealing is between Mumbai and Pune. That is the same state. So we keep CGST and SGST. Now here, this is Punjab and this is Mumbai. Different states. Now my question to Anand Singhvi. Anand, please listen. Anand, my question to you is how you can say this is 10% IGST. From where we get this rate? Anand, if you don't know the answer, you can say to me, I'll explain. Like Piyush said, now he doesn't know when to put CGST, when to put SGST. He doesn't know where to put IGST. I explain. Same too, I'll explain to you also, Anand. Why 10%? From where we get this rate?
Ma'am, because there are.
Please speak louder.
Ma'am,
You don't know where to get 10%?
no, ma'am.
Very good answer. Excellent answer, beta. Very good. That's why I'm telling you, everyone, that you should join the class regularly. Anand, you don't know where to get, from where to get this 10%? Okay, Jatin Bhatia, how we will get that 10%? From where to get this 10%? It is not mentioned in the question, but we are putting 10% IGST.
CGST plus SGST. 5%.
Vanisha, will you give the answer, please?
Ma'am, CGST plus.
Yes, please. Vanisha.
Ma'am, by adding CGST and SGST.
Yes, please repeat, please, so that others can listen.
By adding CGST and SGST, we will get IGST.
Answer to the point. Correct answer, my dear. CGST is Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST is State Goods and Service Tax. CGST is imposed by central government. SGST is taken or the source of income of state government. But the state, if the transaction is between two states, then IGST is imposed. IGST means, what is the full form of IGST, Noel John?
Integrated goods and service tax.
Very good. Excellent. Integrated goods and service tax. So integrated means sum of total of CGST and SGST. So the 10% tax is imposed here, but that 5% will go to central government and 5% will to state government. That's why 10% IGST. IGST means integrated goods and service tax that will be applicable when the transactions takes place between different two states or more than two states also. Okay, so IGST is 10%. Now this 10%, 5% will go to the central government and 5% to state government. So remember, Anand, IGST is the sum of CGST and SGST. If it is not given in the question, you should add these two. I am sure you must got my point. And if still you are unable to understand, then please watch the GST theory. We made 3 videos on GST theory and GST general entries. And from near about 1 month, we are doing work on GST. So I am sure you all must got this point. Now my question is to you. If there is no TD in that transaction, what should we do? Yes, Savan. If there is TD, TD means what? Yes, please. TD means what? Trade discount. I unmute you, beta. Yes, now.
Trade discount.
Trade discount to be deducted. So my question from Mayur is, if that transaction is of cash discount, then same cash discount also deduct?
No, ma'am, because we do not enter cash transactions in purchase.
Yes, yesterday Priyanshi gave the same answer. Correct, Mayur. You are absolutely right. We will not enter cash discount here because cash transactions don't enter here. These subsidiary books for credit transactions. Okay. Any other doubt if you want to say? If any doubt here, you can discuss. Related, there is one. See, debit note and credit note I gave you in the theory part. You can see the videos. Now the dealing, this is not necessary that in every book 2 transactions are there. For the businessman daily, he should have more transactions. He has to enter continuously. Then at the end of the day, week, month, depends on the number of transactions, he will do the grand total. Here the board size is limit. That's why I have given 2 transactions. But it is not necessary that only 2 transactions are there or 1 are there. It depends on the size of the organization, number of the transactions. If the number of transactions are more, they have to enter frequently. Then at the end, they will total it. Maybe at the end of week, month, 15 days. It depends on the organization's policy. Yes, Piyush, any doubt now? You got it? Because that's why I am telling everyone, please be regular in the class. Join the class regularly, because these points I explained in the detail. That's why if you and the other boy, they don't give the answer, everyone started laughing. They all are smiling that you don't know where to put CGST and SGST at the end of the topic. Today we are closing the subsidiary books, my dear. We already completed. Then on that day, please be careful. Okay? Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask.